So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in local security policy. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to expand local policies. Now you're going to click on user rights assignment. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. And then once you're on this, you're going to double click on allow login through remote desktop services. Double click on this. And now in this box, it should be saying remote desktop users. If it does not say that, then you're going to click on add user or group. And then once we're here in this box, you're going to type in remote desktop users. Spell it the same way how I did with the same capitals and lowercase, and then click on OK, and then click on OK again, which will then add it. I'm not going to click on OK because I already have it. So once you click on OK twice, it should now appear here, and then click on OK again. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD, then you're going to run it as administrator, and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in gp update /force and click on enter. Wait for this to load. And now the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then just restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.